Hey guys, how are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. Welcome back to Fashion Forward. Today's we are diving deep into the world of women's footwear for 2025, exploring the latest trends in stiletto molds and sandals. Footwear is no longer just about party quality, it's a form of self exploration, a confidence booster, and sometimes a work of art. This year, the spotlight is on innovation, sustainability, and comfort without compromising on style. Whether you are a fan of high fashion, stilettos, the effortless charm of moles, or the breezy comfort of sandals, we have got something for everyone. So grab your favorite pair of heels, sit back and let's step into 2025 with style and elegance. Let's begin with the ultimate icon of sophistication stilettos. These towering heels have been a wardrobe staple for decades, but in 2025 they are taking elegance to the next level. Designers are focusing on blending luxury with functionality. Imagine stilettos with built-in arch support, padded insoles, and even lightweight materials that reduce fatigue. This year's standout trends include vivid colors, electric blue, bold red, and metallic silvers are taking over, adding drama to every outfit. Artistic heels, think spectral heels inspired by modern art, from geometric shapes to nature inspired designs like flowers and winds. Multifunctional stilettos. Some brands are experimenting with convertible heels where you can adjust the height depending on the occasions. Stilettos are not just for formal events anymore. This year, fashion influencers are styling them with casual outfits like jeans and leather jackets, making them versatile and fun. Next up, we have Moles, a footwear style that's been stealing the show for its mix of comfort and elegance. In 2025, Moles are breaking boundaries with designs that cater to both minimalists and maximalists. Here are the top moles trends to watch. Chunky heels. These are perfect for a retro look, offering stability and style for long wear. Pointed to flat, sleek, and professional, they are ideal for office wear, casual outings. Ornate embellishments, crystal pearls, and metallic stands are adding glamour to moles, making them suitable for evening events. Moles are also becoming a year-round favorite for summer. Open-toe moles are perfect, while closed-toe and heeled moles work beautifully for fall and winter. Pair them with cropped pants, midi dresses, or even tailored suits for a sophisticated whip. Moving on to our summer essential sandals, from breezy flats to statement making, gladiator sandals are a staple in every woman's wardrobe. 2025 is bringing some exciting updates to sandal designs. Strappy style, intricate strap patterns are trending, ranging from minimalist thin straps to bold lace-up gladiators. Platform soles perfect for adding height while keeping comfort intact. Platforms are a favorite this year. Vegan and sustainable materials, eco-friendly leathers and recycled materials are dominating collections, aligning with the growing demand for sustainable fashion. For styling, sandals are incredibly versatile. Pair flat sandals with maxi dresses for a boho look or wear heeled sandals with flowy skirts and blouses for a chic polished appearance. For vacations, opt for bright colored sandals to add a pop of color to your outfit. This year is all about innovation in footwear. Designers are integrating technology and sustainability into their creations. Let's explore some exciting advancements. Smart heels with sensors that monitor postures and pressures to ensure maximum comfort. Sustainable production brands are using biodegradable materials, waterless dyeing techniques, and renewable energy for productions. 3D printed shoes, customized fits, and unique designs are now possible thanks to 3D printing technology. These innovations are reshaping the way we think about footwear, proving that style and sustainability can go hand in hand. Here are some tips to help you incorporate 2025 footwear trends into your wardrobe. Bold stilettos: let your shoes be the statement piece by pairing them with neutral tones or monochrome outfits. Casual moles: style them with high-waisted jeans and oversized blazers for a relaxed yet chic look. Playful sandals: match colorful sandals with floral prints or light, breezy fabrics to create a fun summer outfit. Accessorizing is also key. According your shoes with your handbag or jewelry can elevate any outfit. If you are wondering which brands to check out in 2025, here are quick rando. Luxury brand Christian Louboutin for iconic stilettos, Gucci for glamours, moles, and Valentino for statement sandals. Affordable favorites Zara, Mango, and Aldo offer trendy, budget-friendly options. Sustainable choice Vijay and Rothi are leading the charge with eco-conscious footwear. No matter your budget, there are something for everyone. And remember, investing in quality footwear is always a good idea. It not only lasts longer but also ensures better comfort. Fashion is an evolving art form, and footwear plays a crucial role in completing the perfect look. From bold stilettos to chic molds and versatile sandals, 2024 is shaping up to be an exciting year from shoes lovers. Thank you for joining us on this journeys through the latest footwear trends. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Fashion Forward for more updates, tips, and style inspiration. Remember, it's not just about the shoes you wear, but the confidence you carry in them. See you next time, and as always, stay stylish, inshallah.